torrential rain. Above I see a little plane. It's shaking like a frail old dog, fighting its way through storm and fog. I wonder why it's in the air. Maybe a lift for urgent care, and then it passes from my view. I hope it gets home safely too. Winds and storms and heavy rain, the clouds are crying out their pain. It seems the world has gone insane. I hope the rain will wash away the hate and ignorance one day that are on permanent display. A tiny bird now tries to fly, but can't get up into the sky. The rain pours hard onto its wings. It makes me wonder if this stings. The bird gives up, lands on a twig. Maybe this task was way too big. I feel so touched by this small bird, its efforts being so absurd. Winds and storms and heavy rain, and from afar I hear a train waking my travel back again. I wonder what my life would be if I'd be traveling overseas. Would I feel satisfied and free? I'm walking through torrential rain. The clouds are crying out their pain, and I can feel a strange relief, slowly replacing pain and grief. And I can feel a strange